Now, one of the buzz things that happens when you write stuff like games and applications and that is what we call the user interface. And I'm not trying to sound insulting, but you've got a shin that users are dummies, and so you try and make it so that they can't make any mistakes when they're running your little program. So to draw this, we can sort of tie this down even tighter, if you like, to make it just about impossible for them, whoever's using this, to muck up your polygons. So the way to do that is we can replace some of this stuff here. And what we'll do is we'll go and get ourselves a variable, which we will call sides. Okay, and so we now have this thing called sides here. And not only that, with the variable, you can also do this. You can go to slider. All right, it's called a slider. Now, this is what it does. It gives you a whole bunch of values. And not only that, but you can also set the limits. So we sort of went, well, we're going to go from there to there. So our limit now is 3 to 10. So you can slide this thing as many times as you like, and then away you go. Okay, so we'll put the side things up there, and then what happens is this. We won't ask how many sides. We'll just replace the answer stuff with the sides stuff instead, like this, and that one goes, and this one goes, and we then hit the green flag, and we go like this, and we go like that. And what that basically means is this: you do not need any of that. All you need is that. So you don't have to validate anything. You just change this and you get what you want, which is a lot smoother, like so. All right, now the other thing we can do is we could create a list and get a little bit clever with our list as well. So if we make a list called, I don't know, names, like so, all right, and in there, what we'll do, over here is the best place to do it. We'll do it in our backdrop, which has just got basically nothing there at the moment. So we'll do all our data control stuff over here. So first things first is we'll clean it out. So we'll clean this list out. And then what we'll do is we will insert a value. Now, dot. I know this sounds silly. Probably don't actually need these. If we start at, I don't know, we'll start at 3. We'll put the lot in. Might be another line. So line, whoops, line, and I'll do a bit of duplicating here. What do we got? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's not spelt right. Goodness gracious me. Square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, nonagon, whoops, try octagon. Last two, duplicate, nonagon, and decagon. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And when we hit the green flag, it fills up with the names. There they are, like so. And what we'll do is we can have another variable, and we will put one of these list names into what the actual variable is. So we'll have a variable here and we'll call it shape. All right, and that is going to be displayed like this. So we'll put that over there like that. So we fill it up, okay, and we'll do this first before we do this. So we'll come to here after we've done this bit. So the way we're going to do that is over here is we'll use a broadcast. Let's call it new message, draw shape, draw polygon. Okay, so okay, when I receive draw polygon, clear, etc, etc. All right, so first things first, we'll just run it. All right, so this is working. All right, now what we need to do is transfer something out of the list into there over here. So we know this, so we say this. What we want the shape to be is in here. There will do, we can put it at the bottom. Set shape to item sides of names. Set shape to item names of shape. Now let's see if that works. Look at that. Change this to 5. Pentagon. Hide the names. Maybe put this down here somewhere if we want. Alright, so now when you run it, not only shows you what the shape is, it tells you what it is as well. And we can go up to there, and we can go to there, and we're in business.